Well, everyone, it's time for us to go and take a look at when exactly you should go ahead and replace your Samsung Galaxy battery. Now, at the core, your Samsung Galaxy battery is, not really replaceable. You can only replace it by going through inside of the Samsung store or, sending it to repair and having them going ahead and basically repairing your Samsung Galaxy battery. However, a big thing you want to keep in mind is that our phones have a really, really good feature built inside, which shows us the battery health of our devices. So what you can always do, and what I would recommend every single person to do out there, is to go through and pretty much keep an eye on your Samsung battery health. It's kind of universally known that as soon as your battery health starts getting below around the 80%, battery health, those are usually the good times and best times to go ahead and replace your battery. So, for kind of an understanding process, if your Samsung Galaxy battery health is less than, 80%, then I would probably just recommend at that point going through and replacing your battery, inside of your Samsung phone. However, there's a couple of things I would keep in mind even if your phone is below 80%, and that is understanding the cost of going through and replacing your battery. If your battery health is low, but you don't really care that much and it doesn't seem to be really affecting your everyday, process, and or if your particular phone, let's say you're having your battery health at 75%, but you're about to get a new phone, you're about to go and upgrade your Samsung Galaxy phone to maybe another Galaxy or to a Google Pixel, maybe to an iPhone, or whatever you're going to do. If you're doing that sooner than later, it doesn't really make a lot of sense to go through and basically upgrade your phone from that standpoint. It doesn't make any sense to go and change your battery. It makes more sense to go ahead and upgrade your phone from that particular standpoint. So that's kind of another thing I'd kind of recommend thinking about in the back of your head is what's the point of going through spending more money on, upgrading your older phone when you can just save money and then spend that on your newer phone. So once again, kind of keep that in mind. Again, not the biggest in the world, but that is just one thing to kind of keep in mind in the back of your head. So at the core, if your phone is below 80% battery health, I would recommend going through and, essentially going through and changing out your battery. But if your battery, let's say if your phone is not that big of a deal, if you're going to be upgrading your phone sooner than later, then I'd probably recommend going through and upgrading your phone, saving your money, upgrading your phone, and then going down that direction. So that pretty much covers it up here for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.